If you're just learning to weave, you're probably wondering what you need to get started. Of course, you need a loom, but sooner or later you'll be looking for a beater to tamp the yarn in place as you weave. I've seen kits that include beaters that really are just hair combs, or maybe mustache combs. Usually, these kits come from sources that don't know about weaving. I recently purchased a frame loom on Amazon. The loom was well made, but it came with this comb. The comb isn't suitable for weaving because its wide sides will spread the warp threads apart. All of the teeth aren't nice and straight either. You want a comb with the same sized teeth all the way across, like this one. It was made for weaving. A table fork can work, and I've often used one like this. I've also tried a wooden table fork, just for fun, and because I like to use wood tools. Here's some beaters I've purchased in the past. They're used for weaving rugs. If you're weaving on a larger tapestry loom, you'll need a larger beater like these. They're lovely to look at. That's what I love about weaving, the beautiful tools. I make small looms that I sell in my shop, the Creativity Patch. Soon after I started making tiny looms, I realized I needed a beater for them. I collected this tiny beater many years ago and tried to find a source, but had no luck, which turned out to be a good thing because I decided to design my own beater, and I added a cotton cord to make it a necklace because that's fun, and it keeps it from getting lost. If you'd like to learn more about weaving looms and tools, check out my course, Learn About Looms. I take you from the most simple loom all the way through to the complex. When you're finished with the course, you'll thoroughly understand how all looms work. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel and check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more to learn there, and I've got fun weaving kits too. Happy weaving!